In Photoshop, you can make a lot of very cool changes to your images just by using filters. To do so, just select your image layer and then the filter drop-down menu at the top of your screen. As you can see, there are lots of filters to choose from, including the very popular filter gallery, where you'll find the artistic painting and sketching filters, then to the more technical camera filters, and then down to many other filters for various effects. Now, all of these filters are really easy to use, and when applied to smart objects, they can be endlessly modified. But there's a significant difference between the filters that you apply in the filter gallery and all other filters, and that is, filter gallery filters are not named. So after you apply one, the only way to figure out which each applied filter is to double-click on it, and that's very annoying. Sadly, you can't even rename the generic filter gallery name with its proper name. Fortunately, there's a fix for this problem, and it's found in Settings on a Mac and Preferences on a PC. The shortcut for a Mac is Command-K, and the shortcut for a PC is Control-K. Once you're in the Settings/Preference dialog box, click Plugins. At the top, click the checkbox that says Show All Filter Gallery Groups and Names. You'll have to restart Photoshop for this to take effect, but when it does, you'll now be able to choose filters from all of those filter gallery sets from the bottom section of the drop-down filter menu. And when you use the filters from here, they will be named. Thanks for watching.